Nangungupahan ka pa rin ba? Kaya ka nandito sa aking video dahil ayaw mo ng mangupahan at naghahanap ka ng affordable housing. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Andito kami ngayon sa Kaya Homes, Naik, Cavite at meron tayong dalawang model unit. Ito ang ating 2-story townhouse at may monthly DP lang na 7,875 sa loob lang ito ng 8 months. At opo, ready for occupancy na po ito. May floor area na 43 square meters kaya naman may enough space pa rin tayo para sa ating living, dining at kitchen area. At may free water tank pa ito at ang ating lot area is 38 square meters. Estimated monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig ay 8,878. At kung naghanap ka naman ng mas affordable pa, meron tayong row house for as low as 4,562. Talaga namang napaka-affordable nito at kung wala ka ding makuha na co-borrower, pwedeng